Another night on the water. Smith's Fishing Outdoors, day 4. Let's see if we can make it happen.
Gorgeous night tonight. We got lucky. It's supposed to be 10-mile-an-hour winds and it's more like 3. Yoo-hoo, baby.
What does a 10 do different than a 12?
They seem like they walk a little bit more. But I think it's bait specific too. Probably more just, you know, it's just 2 inches, probably just more profile than anything. Catch smaller fish on bigger baits. Right?
Big head shakes on this one there. Way to go, Doug. What'd that one eat?
Musky candy.
A musky candy.
Sucker. Color. Or that's the silver rug.
You're gaining some ground on it. That's good. Is the board popped?
I don't think so. Or just
Nice.
Nice fish.
Nice.
Really nice one. Bungee cord?
Yep. Wrecking rack is ready. The other boat got a, what was that, a 47 tonight or 46? 46?
46.
Oh, nice fish.
Dandy fish.
That's a good one.
Hey guys,
All right?
Come around this way. Come around this way. Come around this way. $46.
46.
nice.
On the money.
Nice. This is a solid fish. Look at that. Nice fat. Perfect.
All right, some weight over here.
Joe, I joined that exclusive club. The Catfish Club of St. Clair.
Fish club.
The one,
Meow, meow,
the one
club.
I'd rather not be a part of. Meow.
All right, hooked up. This one's not a catfish. Oh, he's jumping out there.
Keep coming, keep winding.
Got her.
What do you think, Jason?
I don't think it's a kitty cat. Heard its head shaking out there.
Nice. Nice.
Musky.
41.
39 and a half. Nice job. He's got a really quick scoop, that Doug does.
Let me pull it.
40. Musky Joe. Go Musky. Got a streamer. Yeah, good job. Woohoo!
41.
41.
Yeah. 41 incher.
Number 4 for the night.
Nice job.
Thanks, everybody.
Give her some, it's like a, whoa. The size of that one! Jeez! Oh, that's a dandy
That's like
there.
a trophy, man.
Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
I know, I had that before. Had to get over it.
Ready? Go. Oh no!
It's stuck on the outside.
Let me grab. Hold this tension. I try that.
Can you get him by the tail? There you go.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
This is crazy.
Wow. You guys, this is special. All right, let's get a measurement. Right? 40!
40 and a quarter.
Yeah. Go again. Just after our last one. No walleye. Everything's chaotic. We got big waves, lots of fish fighting. Board's tripped. It's fucking begging. It's begging, Jason. More horse. Here, Doug. Doug. Got tail? I seen some tail.
A walleye tail.
No, definitely not a walleye tail. Way too big. Unless it's like a 38-inch walleye.
Alright, we got boards coming up.
Oh yeah! Woo! Nice!
That's a jumbo. That's a jumbo.
Very nice. Fish in the bag. Oh, look at that.
Give me a cutter. Give me a cutter.
Look at this jumbo. Nice. Alright, smile. Got it. Come on, B50.
Definitely got. Nope.
47 and a quarter.
7 1/4, but she's a
That's
tank.
a dandy.